Laying low, no place to go.
Come out here and face me! Come here. Come and face me. Woman to woman!
Who is that mad dog that is screaming in someone's house like this?
You are the mad dog. How dare you beat my mother?
I don't beat your mother. If I beat your mother, she will die.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Talk with Prash, it's your favorite baby girl. Okay, so today again I bring to you another new movie. The name of the movie is Trench's Kid, and it is a Ruth Kadiri production. I love Ruth Kadiri productions, and I'm sure you do too. This movie is starring Ruth Kadiri, Maurice, Odinachi, Eronini, Ayo Adesanya, alongside other amazing actors and actresses. Now, where to watch this movie? You can watch it at Ruth Kadiri 247. Okay, as I will always say, I bring you guys movies that has lessons to learn. I don't just want you guys to watch normal random movies. I want you to watch movies and also learn from the movies you watch. So I have three basic lessons from this movie. Number one, God works in mysterious ways. As I always say, the ways of man are not the ways of God. Secondly, you can be very hardworking, but certain character or certain traits can hinder your progress. You can be the most hardworking person, but you might just have this one flaw that will hinder you from going to the next stage of your life. Now, the third lesson to be learned is be nice to people. Your niceness to people can open doors for you. It can just be you telling a random person good morning, and that person might just be the key to your success or something. But also, in as much as you're nice, learn how to maintain boundaries. Okay, so this movie is a must watch for everybody. It has lessons to learn. Head over to Ruth Kadiri 247 to watch this movie. Also, at this point, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Subscription is always and will always be free, and I give you guys legit and useful updates on the most amazing movies. If you've not watched other videos that I put out, you can hand over to my channel and you will see other amazing movies that you can watch. I give a lot of movie recommendations, so please head over to my channel on the videos icon and you will see other recommendations of other amazing movies that I have put out. Thank you. Love you.